Start before you are ready. Many a times you will think, you know what, Joshua, I need an Apple laptop, an iPhone to get started online. I need a huge capital amount to get started with an investment package. No, no, no. Start with what you have, the resources, tools, equipment. Start with where you are at. If you have a cheap phone, start with your cheap phone. If whichever resources you have at hand, the books you have, notebooks, start small. Think big. Get started. The moment you thinking, you know what, but I do not have an iPhone, an Apple laptop, this expensive things, you will never start. You will tell yourself, you know what, okay, I will start in 4 months' time or 6 months' time. When 4 months or 6 months have passed, you never started. So where you are at the moment, start small, think big, build your whatever you want to build, whatever you love doing. Do that.